Welcome to HDFC Securities 5-minute market wrap-up, your weekly recap of markets for the week ended October 6, 2023. In key macroeconomic news, RBI's Monetary Policy Committee unanimously decided to keep the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. GST collections in India grew by 10% YOY in September 2023 to Rs 1.63 lakh crores. Average GST collection in the first half of FY24 stood at Rs 1.65 lakh crore. India Services Purchasing Managers Index stood at 61 in September. US job openings were up 690,000 to 9.61 million in August 23 versus 8.92 million job openings in July. Payrolls also increased by 336,000 in September, better than the Dow Jones consensus estimate for 170,000. Overall, the US job market remains robust, increasing the likelihood that the US Federal Reserve will hike rates before the end of the year. Brent crude prices plunged by 5.4% on Wednesday. The 10-year US bond yields reached a 16-year high of 4.8%. The bond yields are up more than 100 basis points since June. Nifty closed broadly unchanged during the week. Mid and small cap indices were mixed, with mid cap index down 0.8%, while the small cap index was up 0.8%. Among sectoral gainers, the consumer durables and realty indices bounced back up. The Nifty IT index was also up 1.8% as we approach the earnings season. Among sectoral losers, BSE power and pharma indices witnessed profit booking. The oil and gas index was down as crude oil prices corrected sharply. In select market movers, shares of Prestige Estates jumped 11% this week as the company's total pre-sales are estimated to be between Rs 5,500 to 6,000 crores, which is significantly higher than its run rate of Rs 4,000 crores in the past few quarters. Shares of PCBL rallied by 9% after the company projected that Indian carbon black demand will grow at 5 to 6%. Shares of Mahanagar Gas jumped 8% on expectations of higher margins because of lower gas prices. Shares of Glenmark Pharma fell 8% after the firm received board approval to sell 75% stake in subsidiary Glenmark Life Sciences to Nirma Limited. FII net cash sales of Rs 8,400 crore this week. DIIs bought Rs 4,400 crores of equities in cash. US markets rallied late on Friday. However, it is still down 3.5% in the past 30 days on the back of rising bond yields. In this section, we discuss select reports published by the institutional equities team of HDFC Securities. You can access the detailed reports on our website. Prestige Estate expects its annual pre-sales to increase by 25% year-on-year. The company has a strong launch pipeline of Rs 27,500 crores. Our team has increased the price target from Rs 700 to Rs 786 per share. IT sector is expected to have a soft quarter, even though Q2 has historically been a seasonally strong quarter. We expect Tier 1 IT companies to report sequential growth of -1.4% to +2.2%. We have a buy rating on Persistent Systems and a sell rating on Tata Elxsi. Navin Fluorine announced that Mr. Rajesh Welling has resigned as the MD of the company due to personal reasons. Despite this, we expect the growth momentum to continue and have retained our target price of Rs 5,368 per share. Nykaa's run rate of 4 to 5 million client additions annually in the BPC segment remains on track. Our EBITDA estimates are 12 and 19% below consensus for FY25 and FY26 respectively. We retain a reduced rating. That is all for this week. Please refer to the detailed disclaimer in the video. Please note that the securities discussed in the presentation are for education or information purposes only. Thank you.